Hello guys, this is Subin from RIG. We are going to start the tutorial on Android Studio. So this is the website for Android Studio. You can download it freely from the website for Windows or for Ubuntu. The new Android Studio IDE is having an IntelliJ type which actually predicts that code you are writing. So after this you have to install Genymotion. It is an Android emulator, kind of fast emulator. It will be very useful for you. So you can see the website, it is genymotion.com. You have to make an account and you have to install it. So we will start Android Studio. I already opened one page. We'll create a new file, new project. So name is hello world. So it asks for the minimum SDK, that is to which minimum Android version it will be working. We'll press next, and you can have a lot of activities in it. We'll be taking blank activity name, let it be main activity. You can see that it is building, and you can see something rolling, and on the bottom of it is called Gradle. It is building inside it. Okay, everything is finished. So here you can see something called text and design. Press the design. It is initializing the libraries and all. So this is how a app is gonna look like, where you can design things. So we'll go for the basics. Here you can see a project structure. Take Android. Inside it there are two main folders, one is app and one is Gradle. So first we'll take Gradle. So take the second Gradle called build.Gradle. Inside that you can see a compile SDK version and build tools. There is minimum SDK version and target SDK version. Minimum we have already given that to which minimum Android OS it should be working, and to which Android OS version we are targeting our app. And next is our app folder. We'll have manifest. So inside manifest there are many declarations. We'll be discussing about it later. Anyway, we'll see this label. This label will be there in our main page. When you open the phone you can see the label under your app icon, and this is the icon drawable.ic_launcher, and this is the Java folder where we code for that elements inside it. So there is main activity. So if you double click it you can see the main activity. There is package, there is import, and this is the main activity. Now we'll go for that main design. For that, go to resource folder, take layout and activity.xml. The layout is done in XML format. So here you can see that hello world is there and palette is there on the side. You can add anything from it. So take a button, drag it to the screen, so you can see a new button. So if we press it we want to show hello world. So we can see how it look like in XML format. So you can see the code. Go to site, you can see a button called preview. Click it, so that how it looking like is here. So if you press the button it will select that code. So there is Android text is given new button, so we can change it to hello world. And the button is having an ID at ID and bar button. So when we press it we have to call hello world. So we will add a function called onClick and name the function called hello, and you have to press put the cursor on it, and you can see a bulb on the side. Click it and press create hello world on main activity. So it will call the Java file and we have to do the coding here. So we will take our main XML again, go to design. On the top, take the hello world. You can drag it to any position. This is called a text view. On this component tree, you can see that elements, that is text view and button. This text view, we can edit it inside XML format. Take it. So the given text is hello world. Remove the text. So go to design again. So there is no text inside it. So when we press hello world, it have to show hello world, right? So we'll go to main activity.java sidebar and take the function. For a text view, you have to define on the top called text view. I called my text. That is a global declaration. After that, you have to take this on create bundle. Go down. My text equal to typecast to text view. Then we have to find it by find view by ID. Give r dot id dot text view and put a semicolon so that it will find that text view by ID. Now my text is a text view type, so on clicking we have to add a text to the my text. So we will set my text dot set text hello world. Now work is finished, so we will minimize it again. I already installed Genymotion in my system, so we can start Genymotion. Starting Genymotion now. It is getting started. So I have two sets of fonts, one with API 16 and one with API 21. Take API 16. It is starting the device. So it is started and it is like normal font. You have to drag it to unlock and go to your file hello world, and on the top you can see a run button. Click on it so that you can see on the bottom side Gradle is executing the task. We have to wait for that. So it automatically detects Genymotion as a phone. So we'll start, press OK. So it is installed into it. So we'll see our phone. You can see hello world. We'll press it. See, you can see hello world on the top.